Launch Valorant and go to the main menu. Make sure you're ready to dive into the settings. Click on the gear icon in the bottom right corner to access settings. Now navigate to the Video tab. This is where the magic happens. Look for the display mode option and select full screen. It's simple yet effective. Adjust the resolution if needed. Choose the one that fits your monitor best. Finally, hit apply and enjoy Valorant with an immersive full screen experience. If the display doesn't change, check your graphics drivers. Make sure they're up to date. Ensure your monitor is set to the correct input source. A quick check can save frustration. If you're still facing issues, feel free to restart the game. Sometimes, that's all it takes. Lastly, check graphics settings in your PC. Compatibility is key to smooth gaming. With these steps, you should be ready to enjoy Valorant in full screen without any hitches. Now, jump into the game and give it your best shot in full screen mode.